Tree keepers. That's what's up.
All right, so no horn, no dash lights. So I got me a circuit tester. Watch this. Make this get good. Is that a good angle? Is that gonna fall? See that? That's from the positive terminal. This is from the negative. Guys, I'm out of daylight, but now we got two golds. This one says positive, this one says negative. Let's see what goes on. Let's see if it works. That is a very good sign, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, the horn works. Oh, we're taking this pup for a test drive. It's been months. Let's do this Jeep. Yeah, baby. Oh, I missed you. Oh, it's been since October. Oh, yeah. Crank that up. Let's go. Oh my gosh. We're driving the Jeep, guys. She lives. Oh man. The steering wheel feels so... Ugh. Sun hasn't been good to you, baby. Alright. We'll see you next time, guys. Change those battery terminals to gold.
Oh my god. There he is. Can't believe he did it. Oh my god.
Hey, baby.
I cannot believe it.
You want to ride?